So this is my new golf club cleaning set. Now this product was a gift that was sent to me, but I chose this because I needed something that was a little bit more than just a brush. And I have just my brush, and you can get most of the stuff off, but it doesn't really get everything. And so this cleaner is gonna go ahead and do a deep clean, whether you're doing it on the course or off the course. This one I didn't clean while I was on the course, and you can see it has a lot of debris on it. So, but if I was on the course, it has little clips on each of the products so that you can clip it to your bag, bring it with you. Something else I like about it is it holds 5 ounces of water, so it's a good amount. It's going to clean a lot of golf club heads. And then the brush clip actually clips to the neck of it, so it keeps it from going down. So it's not going to spray while it's in your bag or if you're holding it. And it also holds the brush cover so that your bristles don't get all messed up. So let's go ahead and clean this club and test it out, show you how it works. All right, here we are at my outdoor kitchen. First step, you're gonna get your cleaner. Go ahead and spray that on there. I'm gonna let that sit for a second, then I'm gonna brush it out. You can see the dirt already coming off of there, lifting up. And then I'm gonna spray it with the water and clean it off. Last step, take your microfiber towel and just go ahead and wipe it off. Now that looks way better. This could be way more presentable next time I go play. And I'm definitely gonna clean off the rest of my clubs with this cleaning set.